Welcome to the Mountain Plumbing Products installation video for the Little Gourmet Instant Hot Water Tank. Before you begin, please read and familiarize yourself with the instruction manual that came with your product. In here, you will find important safety information and additional guidelines for installing your new Instant Hot Water Tank. For this video demonstration, we will be installing the Little Gourmet Instant Hot Water Tank, model number MT641-3. We will also be utilizing a Mountain Plumbing hot and cold accessory faucet as our choice for above-the-sink connection. Available in a number of styles and finishes, these faucets are designed to work seamlessly with a Little Gourmet Instant Hot Water Tank. And please contact your local reps to see if your kitchen faucet matches. Also note that the Instant Hot Water Tank must be connected to an open vent faucet. Using the tank with an incompatible faucet will damage the tank and void the warranty. Contact the faucet manufacturer to verify compatibility. Additionally, we will be connecting Mountain Plumbing's Mountain Pure MT1250XL point-of-use water filtration system. While the use of this water filter is not required and it must be purchased separately, we highly recommend installing this product as well to provide the optimum experience when using your new Instant Hot Water Tank. All of these products are designed to work seamlessly together, with the additional option of installing the MT6LD leak detector valve as part of your system. We will now show you how to install Mountain Plumbing's Little Gourmet Instant Hot Water Tank under a kitchen sink. You will need these tools: a pair of needle nose pliers and 2 wrenches. Please note that the hot water tank comes with a mounting bracket only, while everything else comes with the faucet itself. Therefore, the water lines, including the hot water tank inlet hose, 1/4-inch compression, to be used during installation, will be attached to the accessory faucet and not included with your Little Gourmet Instant Hot Water Tank unit. Make sure you locate these lines for using in subsequent steps. Before starting, find the cold water supply to the main kitchen faucet and turn it off. Open the cold side of the kitchen faucet to relieve the water pressure. Place the hot water tank in a close location to the accessory faucet hoses so you can make all of the proper connections. Make sure that you do not plug the tank into an electrical outlet at this time. The first step is to now find the cold water line that is leading out of the water filter and connect that to the inlet side of the accessory faucet. The faucet supply line needed should be labeled with a blue tag that reads "Connect to 3/8-inch compression water supply." Use the plastic adapter that comes with the filter to connect this cold water line to the faucet. This will ensure we have cold water running from your filter to your accessory faucet. Please refer to our Mountain Pure MT1250XL point-of-use water filter installation video if you have any questions for this first step. You can now move on to installing the Instant Hot Water Tank to the hot water line on the accessory faucet. Start by connecting this 1/4-inch compression inlet hose, which is the second braided line with a red tag coming from the accessory faucet to the top of the hot water tank. It is very important that you do not connect this hot water line to the outlet of the hot water tank. If this connection is made by accident, back pressure would build, causing the unit to break down and therefore voiding the warranty. To connect the compression inlet to the hot water tank, remove the protective black cap, remove the compression nut and ferrule from the braided hose, and place the nut and ferrule onto the 1/4-inch tube. Now connect the braided hose to the inlet side of the hot water tank and hand tighten. Use 2 wrenches in unison to finish tightening the nut, making sure to not over-tighten. You will now move on to making the connection to the outlet side of the hot water tank. To connect the outlet on the hot water tank, locate the plastic bag included with your Mountain Plumbing faucet, which includes the flexible hose and connection fittings. Take the metal 3/8-inch compression adapter fitting from the bag. Remove the protective black cap from the tank. Remove the compression nut and ferrule from the adapter fitting, and place the nut and ferrule onto the 3/8-inch outlet tube. Slide the adapter over the outlet tube and thread the nut onto the adapter. Use 2 wrenches in unison to tighten the nut. Only about 1/4 turn is needed here. Make sure not to over-tighten. Take the flexible tube from the bag and slide one end over the nipple of the short pipe on the bottom of the faucet. Place the tank in the position where it will be installed. Cut the flexible tubing to remove excess length. Ensure that there are no kinks, loops, or dips in the tubing, as this could block the flow of water and damage the tank. Connect the other end of the tubing to the adapter nipple on top of the tank. Once the tubing is snug on both ends, use the black plastic clamps included with the hose to clamp the hose at each end. Place the clamp over the hose and nipple, and use a pair of pliers to tighten securely. You have now completed all of the needed connections between the accessory faucet and the hot water tank. The hot water tank now needs to be mounted in a location where the temperature dial is accessible and the unit remains close to the faucet hoses. Please find a mounting plate included with your hot water tank that will connect under the lid opening on the back of the unit. Attach the mounting plate to the cabinet wall by finding your location, marking your screw locations with a pencil, and drilling in 2 screws to secure. In the unlikely situation where the hot water tank or hose connections may leak during use, place the unit in a shallow drip pan to contain water. Now give each connection one more inspection before you move on, because you will next be filling the hot water tank with water. Start by turning the water temperature all the way down to cold. Before the next step, ensure the unit is not plugged into an outlet. You are now going to open the cold supply line. Water will begin flowing through the attached hoses. Open the hot water handle on the accessory faucet. This will allow the system to pressurize. The hot water tank will now be filling up with water, and make sure to check for leaks. When water begins coming out of the faucet, plug in the hot water tank with the attached cord. You will now turn the temperature dial to the 4 o'clock position and wait 15 minutes, allowing the water to heat. The water will be about 185 degrees Fahrenheit in this position. Rotate the dial to the desired position, and please know this setting can be changed at any time. The goal is to have hot water right under boiling temperature. If the water is boiling, the faucet will sputter due to steam in the system. You will now have instant hot water at your fingertips for a myriad of uses and applications. If you have any further questions, please refer to the instruction manual, contact our customer service department, or visit the resources section of our website. Thank you for watching our installation video, and congratulations on your new Little Gourmet Instant Hot Water Tank from Mountain Plumbing Products, making your design finished.